Yo, what up? It's the pilot, man, and I'm back. I left my cell phone in the sofa cushion. Guys, it's this really big coffee dipping on sneakers situation going on to make shoes look aged that everybody's doing. So they're dipping sneakers in coffee. I know you guys have seen it before, but I thought about doing, I was like, it's gotta be an easier way to do it and make your shoes look old. I want to try this, and I did, and this is the end result of the shoe. These are the Light Fusion Jordan 1 Light Fusion Reds, and they're actually going for below retail, which is funny because I'm thinking that these and those Brotherhood Jordan 1s are probably gonna go for about $500-600 in about 3 years, but whatever. So I ended up buying these from a consignment shop for basically retail, and I was like, I'm gonna dip dye these, and then I figured out a way to do it which is a lot easier, which is getting this basically this ager or this stainer Sharpie and taking it from this shoe on my left foot, right, where it's white on the sole, which it still looks good, right, but when you age it with that marker, it makes it look so much cooler. So I'm kind of showing you guys a comparison before I get to work on these. And it came out pretty well, as you guys can see. But guys, whenever you do a DIY, you guys always don't start off on the piece that you're actually doing the whole DIY for. You always want to start off with a trial run on a shirt or a shoe or a pair of pants or whatever that you're not messing with, that you don't really care about. So I used a sale. So I basically got this stainer, which is basically some Sharpie paint from this place called Foxtrot, which I'll have the link below. And you kind of you push the tip down and it pumps ink into it. I don't know what type of ink it is, I don't know what type of liquid it is, but whatever it is, it works extremely well. And I just started going to town on it. And you have to do a couple of brush strokes. You want to do long strokes because it makes it look better. If you do short strokes, the dye started building up in one spot and it'll look weird and you have to keep messing with it. Also, if it's too dark, you can always go back with you see what I'm doing right here? I'm kind of getting the ink to flow through the pen. But if it's too dark, you can always get like an alcohol swab or a cotton ball with alcohol and then go across it and make it lighter, which is great, man. One thing you can't do is just go back to the original state that the shoe was in. But you can see me going and swiping long on here. I get up in the threads to make it look older, and it's already looking cooler. This shoe is like probably about 15, 16 years old. Now, I went ahead and tried the cream. Now, cream is a different color. It's supposed to be the darkest stainer that they had. And as you can see like the liquid building up in certain spots because the material is different from the Jordan 1 than this 312 Don C Jordan. So like on this sole right here, it's a much smoother surface. So the ink, it's a little bit harder for the ink to get off into the sole, but you just got to keep swiping and sliding down. And it actually made the shoe look cooler to me. Remember guys, if you're gonna do any type of DIY, you always want to start off with something as a trial run, whatever it is you're doing. I don't care if it's you dyeing your blinds or anything. You don't want to start off with that special piece that you're trying to get to look a certain way and accidentally mess that up first. You want to get all your kinks out with with not a material, but with a piece that you don't care about as much. So you gotta see, I'm just going around taking my time, and don't worry about it being perfect. It's not gonna be perfect. That's what makes it look cool. Now, I don't know what happened to my footage of me doing the actual shoe. I can't find it. I'm a dumbass. But this is how it looks right here after I do it, and this is the comparison of the two shoes, which this video doesn't really do it a lot of justice of how good it looks, but you can kind of see the difference and how it aged. It looks more aged. It looks like it's from the actual 80s, and this is what it looks like on foot, which is amazing. I ended up going with the white shoestrings when I wore them out. And this is easily going to be one of my favorite sneakers in my collection now. This is gonna be my new beater for the rest of the year. I'm just gonna, my go to the store shoe, go to the gym real quick shoe. And this is how it looks laced up. And some of you guys that are into, have your laces untied, this is what it looks like untied. And as you guys can see, it's a total different feel on the shoe. And you see, it's not perfect. Like, it's not perfectly brown all over, and that's what you want. You want it to look aged. So you guys, if you're doing this, don't worry about it being perfect, okay? And this is the end result. I went out. I think I went out to a hookah lounge or something. And yeah, I was really happy with the end result of the shoe. It really looks cool. You guys that are watching this video now, don't be surprised 2 years from now if this light fusion red shoe is worth triple or quadruple what it's worth right now, because people are sleeping on it. That and the Brotherhood Jordan 1. But anyway, guys, I hope you guys got something from this. Guys, do not, if you can, avoid it. Do not do the coffee stain stuff. It's not worth it. You can do the same thing to the leather upper with that marker, right? And it'll make the leather upper and stuff look aged as well. You just kind of mess with it and play with it. But that coffee stuff, the juice ain't worth the squeeze for me, man. So like, I could literally do this on my couch watching TV in my underwear and not worry about messing my whole floor up in my house or on my patio or something with this coffee stain and stuff. So guys, like, comment, subscribe. Let me know if you're gonna try this out, if you have tried this out. Thank you guys for watching. And always remember, you are the flyest motherfucker on planet Earth. I'll see you guys later.